Ang pagkaka... Quiet class. Ang pagkaka... Ganito lang.
Very holy week ang kata.
Alala ka! Hindi ako kasha.
Holy week na holy week.
Kasha ba ako? Wala yung palayin mo! Wala yung palayin mo!
Sobrang perfect ang kwent.
Wala yung palayin mo!
Guys, may sick plate. Bakit ang pink?
Kasi naka-pink siya. Pwede yan. Don't do that. Wait, oh, wait.
Sexy ball.
One more lang. Saan na prepare? Just one. Wala nang one more. Bibili lang kita boys. Okay, ang mangot. Dapat pala. Huwag niyo bang matry? Ibigay mo muna siya sa hapon. Okay, and then read that sa'yo na. Oh, isa pa. Later, dito ka later. Later. That is the number. You go. Ah, okay. Ikaw, wait. Okay.
You have 10. Wow! Oh, what? I will choose 5 o ka-item. Sige na, 1 na lang pipiliin ko. Hindi, pipiliin ko ng 5. My multo is the artwork that did not go to the final round. Naninigas yung daliri ko!
Wala, ang cute naman. Gusto ko.
How about you, Ate Aya? What's
Secret. Black.
basahan ba to?
Joanna Black.
Joanna, what the hell is that?
I'm not gonna see you on the next round.
What's that?
Joke lang.
Just give her a chance. Ay, nasan kaya ako nung nagpaulan ng talent si Lord?
Palawakin yung imagination nyo. Huwag kayong manggaya nang gagaya ka, bebe.
Sabi nila,
Kasi, yun yung nafe-feel mo eh.
Wow, very chichay.
So, ang saya.
Ang artsy-artsy talaga ng girl.
Ating mga painters ay nagkukumahog. Nagkukumahog sa pagpinta sa ating blankang canvas.
Stabilizer.
Jo, may stabilizer yan. Girls, lagyan nyo ng katawan. Katawan! Space! Wala na pa guys!
Galit na si Ate Aya!
Hindi ko yan na galit. So, ang gan... Hindi ko na ano. Grabe.
Bebe! Where's the face? So, yeah, this is my drawing.
You see? Oh, so artsy. What if to go out?
Yes!
That yung walls niya.
Yeah.
Tinatry niya na ibaba yung walls niya to be free.
Yep.
To be... Wala, guys, para siyang ovary. Paano? Ito si Timaan, si Saron, tsaka si Kuya Lester.
Ano sila, Minion?
Bilog lang, hindi pa sila nag-form eh.
Ang mga feet.
Galing kasi sila dito sa Fallopian Tube.
Ang galing!
Hi, scientific, guys!
Where's the carnation flower?
This one!
Do you know what carnation flower looks like?
this one!
Ay, buti ka pa alam mo.
My first time seeing my... Oh!
Sheena!
Kasi feeling ko, hindi naman ako pinakamagaling sa arts, pero I have background.
Sa tingin niya sino ang mananalo?
Yung manok ko sa Tiaya.
Ikaw. Ako si Bebe. She now, what can you say about winning this challenge? And you've been through so much. You've been through 3 challenges. Naisip mo ba yun? Na sa 3 challenges na yun, mananalo ka, di ba? Sa pagiging creative.
Thank you to everyone who believed in me. Actually, I already saw this coming. It's not something new. Maybe something new to me would mean I would lose.
I know this episode is about you, but I made it about me.
Sana maulit sa ibang games. Ay, hindi, ayoko maging kahaman.
Stretch siya masyado so hindi ko mataasan yung boses ko, yung energy ko kasi it vibrates and the tahi is vibrating.
Is this my lip gloss, Bebe? How do you feel, Bebe? I feel so green. What do you feel right now? I feel powder. I feel so orange. May cute. To describe. Tinuturo. Magnificento. Why did you choose pink?
Pink.
Bayonetta.
Actually, okay lang naman kung di ako manalo. Kasi luto naman talaga to.
Push, relax, relax.
So, yun na. Learned it from Coach Anna. I thought you're an octopus. Underdog.
Believer sa...
Ayan na.
Bato, picks! Bato, picks! I just really idolize that Joanna. But this is just my retouch makeup bag. I produce oil that many cannot produce. Holy Grail. Mabait na damo. Winner for my episode. Luto daw sabi ni Sheila. Come over here. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and for those who have been commenting on my videos. Thank you so much. I will make more videos for you guys and I hope that you will love all my videos. I will make more videos and keep making more videos because I love you guys. Thank you so much. Tara! Oy! Oh. First question. I Amazing Adventures? Tayo nakapag-Taiwan ka na, no? Country trip. I want to bring my family. Uy, bakit ba? Ikaw ba yung pamilya niya? Ayoko na magsayo na. Surf? Come on! Wait, I'm sure go! No! Ay, wait! Wala na! Mindanao! Saan sa Mindanao? Bali. Saan? Ito eh! Sigawan ka niya. I am Amazing Adventures, go! So yung first out of the country ko is Taiwan. Pero what year was it? Hala? Okay. Huh? What's the question? Yun nga! Siyempre, nasa Iceland ka. Malamig, magyelo. So, siyempre, naghahanap ka ng warm. Ng warm from, not from people, but from you. Sa katawan mo.
Walang coffee.
Siyempre, doon mo na i-figure out yon.
Ako nag-isip na stranger.
Proud ka pa! You are very adventurous. Are you saying I'm matakaw? No!
Okay,
And that's from the bottom of my Anik with ED heart. Parang din sa airport. Yun lang. Kahit huwag mo na akong piliin. Oh, wow. Hi, my name is Maloy and I'm from
the land of the universe, and I thank you.
Ganyan talagang bata.
I'm Maloy from Cavite! Hi, my name is Maloy from Cavite! If you are given one day, that's your very last day. Oh no, I don't want one day. Kami ka dapat
Yung ano?
If you are given 24 hours, na naman?
Why?
Seryoso, ikaw pipiliin ko kasi I love how spontaneous you are and I love how you live your life to the fullest and how independent you are.
Dapat wala ka, hindi ka kasali dapat eh.
Ben, nagkasagot ako.
Maloy, come back. Wala na napagod na si Maloy kasi hindi siya mananalo daw. Luto yan, luto yan.
Ako ba magde-decide?
Malaya cooking show.
The winner of ano?
Cavite!
Sinong magsasalita ng mas
Babanggain. Lahat ay babanggain ng
Hindi mo ko ipapanalo? Hindi mo ko ipapanalo? Sige! Sige! Luana, this is Bruja hairstyle, mga ganon.
Short hair.
Guys, kung si Ate
Wait lang, hindi pa tayo full potential ko. Don't judge me. Nandito pa ako sa process of grieving. Ibang perspective.
Can you mute her? Winner.
Guys, tanggalin niyo ako ha. Basta joke talaga pag natanggap pa ako sa next round. What if cute ka talaga? Parang kung may kuto. Ate Jo, parang OA na.
Honestly, weakness ko yan. Lahat ng, ewan ko lahat ng anything about art.
Yes, cute I deserve more. OA na! Kambal kasi kami. Eh, nung nagpa-ultrasound, di sila nakita heartbeat. So, hindi sila prepared
so
lumabas
hindi kayo
ako.
pwedeng
So, hindi kami
maghiwalay.
magkamukha.
Ano pa?
The name of my hairstyle is cutie. It's
Times cutie?
no, it's 13.
Oh, it's your birthday. You. She's Puka, I'm Pookie. Looky. As you can see, I have symmetrical design. And then one, like Jenny, because I know Jenny, and hold this for me. Stako is our hairstylist. Puka, stay there.
Hi everyone. So kakabunot lang ng wisdom tooth ko.
Artista. Second, I'm a princesa. Third, I'm a rakista. Thank you so much. Ano ba hindi bilong dito? Wait lang. Natawag ka ba sa top 5? Oo. Wala ka ng choice, kaya natin ako.
She tried, but it's not enough.
Grabe talaga tawa ko, be.
You made me happy.
Yung role ko sa buhay. That's my purpose in life, to give happiness and joy and brightness.
Kinausap ko si Stako na baka pwedeng, kasi hindi ko personality yung challenge na to, diba? So, kinausap ko siya na maayos. Sumagot naman siya. Nagawin mo lang yung post, hindi kita isasali sa top 3.
So, ginawa niya, pero hindi niya alam yung utak ko. Ipapasok ko pa rin siya sa third level. So, ayun. Sorry, Jo.
Ewan ko kung ano tumatakbo sa utak talaga ni Stako eh.
Winning is a normal for me. So I feel normal. I feel deserved. I feel empowered. I feel confident.
Only my group. Paano yung win? Hindi nga. Solo nga. Share stories. Allow them. Walang ganun dito. We follow back na. Timer of 5 minutes. Meron na sila 5. Wala nga. Guys, voluntary exit na lang ako. S-E-A-C-E-Y. We are the champion of Erba! Okay, 5, 6, magawa yan eh. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7, go! Ay, bawal kaldag! At cheer namin to! Hindi ko talaga. Are you not ready yet? I'm ready! Ready? Yep! Go! Hey! Wisdom tooth! Oh yeah! And I drank water plus energy. Okay, Sheena.
Iyak yan.
That's fine.
Ito na yun? Sagad na.
Sorry kasi yun yung sinagot niya.
Pwede ba ka?
When I do my favorite hobby.
Like what?
And when you do this?
Bawal gumamit ng kamay.
Bawal.
To the bottle on the other side.
Wag
Go
lang,
kayo
sa
yan.
kabila ka, sa kabila ka. Nandiyan si Aya, sa kabila ka.
Violet na si Aya.
I feel lucky.
How about you?
I feel lucky. I'm the luckiest. No, I'm the luckiest. Malaki.
It's down to ni Gwen.
Sampunin natin si Gwen. Sige.
Hindi pwede magbabounce yun siya.
Hoy, ayusin nyo! Isa. OA. Hey. I'm listening. I don't think reporters for Sabi niya, babe.
Ako talaga inamon mo
Back to you, hello. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Shinami Karagutan live out here at Aussie News. Aussie. Excuse me po. Okay, you in the red jacket. Queer.
Ako naghahawak niyan. Kuya naman. Dali na, minsan lang. Life is short. It's now or
Kuya?
never.
Wala pa yung time ko eh. Sino ba? You, kuya. You.
Makikita, kuya.
Kuya? Kuya, may tax news. His answer is burger. So, burger came from the Greek word burgure. Burgure. Para naman nag-i-interview lang ako eh.
Nag-interview ka talaga.
Meron akong lakad.
Andyan.
My name is Gainiel Krishnan.
Oh, and I would like to ask someone, where is Sir Ron?
Top 5. Tama na, ayoko na magsalita. Yes. Top 5 ka lang.
Maganda ang kanilang kinakikilingan at kanilang pinupuntahan papunta sa inyong paruruluan. Malas ka! Ang tingin mo sa akin, may matutulong ba ako sa'yo? Wala!
Tamaan mo. Hindi lang yung word. Tamaan mo.
Awe?
Tama. In gusto niya. Sige, go. Pwede ka lumapit. Pwede mo siya na prompter. Lim. Ang surname.
Mika Lim. Be, tanggalin mo na ako.
Man naging single, napatunayan nilang always silang magkakasama palagi, like no forever, talaga like legit. Don't you ever give up, stand up, rise up, find your true love, and go climb up the mountain.
Pag dito na mag-e-end ang pagiging top 5 mo. Hindi, okay lang yan. Dahil nagpapaalala. Okay lang. Tama ka. Wala mo. Kasi,
Wait, nagpapala at nagbabalita. IR
ano? Mukhang pinapalala mo nga.
Alalahan nilang love takes time na nakasakam.
Wala na yun sa top 3 ah.
Kaya kung ramdam mong sawi ka sa pag-ibig, kamusta naman si Aya Arceta?
So, maganda kaibigan. So, makikita po natin ngayon. Makikita po natin ngayon. At si Maloy na nag-e-enjoy sa isang roller coaster. At nakikita nyo po na nag-iibang anyo po sila sa isang roller coaster. I just laugh. And I laughed and I laughed.
Kita po natin ngayon na kanilang emosyon dahil ganitong pagkakataon ay sinubukan nilang sumakay sa rides at makita po natin ang kanilang puso sa pagtanggap ng bagong
Grabe. Nahilo, kakatawa.
dislocate po ang ulo ni Maloy.
Sorry po sa mag-e-edit. Kung sana po malagay nyo lahat.
Are you an OT8? Yeah. If you're an OT1,
Ayoko ng ganyan! Last episode na to guys, ibigay na natin. Ayoko!
It's not boys over flower, cause can you see any boys here?
Yeah.
No.
and
ba pumunta na sila? Di pa tapos? Dito ako, dito. Bakit may buhok? Ang dugyot. Anong insekto ang walang gilagid? Anong tawag pag niyakap si Ate Jo? Ha? Manggang hinog! Manggang hinog! Anong chief? Maloy. 296 Maloy. Sino to? Patingin. Sige. Can I see? Baka malagyan yung tahi ni Bebe. Ang kuliwan. Hala! Mukha ba yan? Yung mga lambato sa akin may minus points eh. She's the wisdom of the group.
The impacted, the extracted, and the undeveloped.
Kaku!
Go away! Ano? I lost?
Top 5. Yeah, there's a top 5.
Natalo ko? Oh my God. Hello, isipon ko nag-collab with the... I can make a dough.
Kanina nga, naglalaway ako dun sa may floor.
Kanina ko. On the floor.
Napaka-perfect mo. Ew!
Sorry na, love. Siyempre, pasok na yan siya yung joke eh. Kaloka like ni Joanna. I love the coconut.
Okay.
And Billy Bong, Billy Bong, Billy Bong, si Billy at si Bong. Parang may
Okay,
dough na
lahat
dito.
kayo may carrot.
Oh, it's 20 minutes. We're gonna die. A land called Antarctica.
Mika ha! Mika! Oh, eh! Bakit parang mas galit ka pa? Okay. Was a rooster. She was the boging! The
Dabogi.
Mika realizes she has powers.
Wow.
She has... Ate Colette felt the power too. Then Bebe felt it and she shouted, with a smirk. Ay, palubog.
Bebe woke up and she went to the dentist.
Coach, we were rehearsing.
Come on.
Ano daw, mo, thought process mo?
I-translate mo sa kanya. Happy ending.
Bakit ka nangingialam?
Because sakit all ear. She has a wisdom tooth, but
Turn, step right.
where's the stuff?
Is the dedication,
Oh.
the contamination, and the civilization. I need motion.
Devotion, sacrification, and
and harmonization,
levitation,
and
synchronization.
synchronization. Okay, that's it. Spotlight ko.
You know, ang dami niyang bashing na nare-receive. Niluluto siya sa mga past episodes. Now is the right time to shine.
Grabe, nauto ko sila lahat doon.